Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. As in the previous video, we have discussed about a story. और story में different types of houses भी हमने देखे थे. So today we'll discuss about the houses. As you all know, a house is a place where we live. When you visit your friends, relatives and neighbors, do you find that the same type of houses as you see? No. People live in different types of houses. Houses can be of different shapes and size and can also be made up of different materials. So, what are the materials used for building houses? Normally, houses are made up of bricks, stones, cement and steel. The window and doors are generally made up of woods. These types of houses are very strong and are called pakka houses. Some houses are made up of mud, hay, bamboo, twigs and leaves. These types of houses are called hut or kacha houses. A kacha house can be made fast and it is not very strong. As a pakka house is very strong, it can have many floors. Big cities have big buildings which are called apartments. There are many flats and houses in a single big building. Many families can stay there. Likewise, are there many floors in kacha houses? No, because it is made up of straw, mud and bamboo etc. It cannot take loads of the upper floors. A kacha house is normally small in size and is single floor. Now, we will see the various types of houses. Children, can you tell me what kind of houses are there in the plain? It can be of various types. If we see the roof, it can be a flat. It can also be slanting or sloping. And it is called sloping roof. But children, do you know houses are made according to the climatic condition of a particular place. Children, क्या आपने heavy snowfall areas में flat roofs वाले houses देखे हैं? I think no, because snow get collected on the rooftop. It will be very difficult to remove snow. Hence, the houses have sloping and slanting roof so that snow can slide off very easily from the roof. Children, tell me one thing. What kind of house should be there if it rains a lot? और क्या इस एरिया में houses के roofs flat होते हैं? No, because flat roofs is filled with water and damage the house. इसलिए इस एरिया के houses की roof sloping roof होती है. If the house is on the ground, the water will enter in the house and all the rooms will get filled with water. Students, there are various types of houses such as hut, apartments and bungalow. They can't move from one place to another. In the same way, kacha houses can also not move from one place to another. So, they are called permanent houses. Some people keep moving from one place to another place, either due to scarcity of food and water, due to extreme climate or due to work. क्या आप permanent houses को one place to another place लेके जा सकते हो? No. So these people make temporary houses that can move from one place to another. In villages, generally people use bullock cart to make their temporary house, while others use bus or van and turn it into the moving house. These are called caravan. There is one type of house that is moving on the boat. Can you tell me its name? Yes, this is Houseboat. Tourists in Kashmir and Kerala love to stay in these unique houses. Children, do you know there is another kind of lightweight and easy to carry temporary house. So what are those? These are tents. These are lightweight and they are made up of canvas and nylon fabric. Mostly mountain climbers and soldiers इस house का use करते हैं. Now we will talk about a very different kind of house which is built from blocks of hard snow. क्या आप इस house का name जानते हो? It is called an igloo. It is snow house and normally seen in Arctic regions. People who live here are called Eskimos. Students, it doesn't matter whether your houses are big, small, kacha, pakka, temporary or permanent house. The important thing is that it gives us shelter and safety. तो देखा आपने houses कितने types के होते हैं? So students, after the lesson, now it's time to practice some questions given from the content. So let's try to understand. Answer in one word. A type of house mostly used by soldiers. That means अब आपको ऐसा हाउस बताना है जो सोल्जर्स यूज करते हैं. आपको इसका आंसर सिर्फ वन वर्ड में देना है. नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कच्चा हाउस. अब आपको एक कच्चा हाउस से एग्जाम्पल बताना है. सी पार्ट इज अ टाइप ऑफ हाउस सीन इन कश्मीर. अब कश्मीर में आप कौन सा हाउस देखते हो उसका नेम राइट करना है. डी इज पीपल हु लिव इन इग्लू. अब इग्लू में जो पीपल लिव करते हैं, जो लोग रहते हैं, उनका क्या नेम होता है, आपको उसका नेम राइट करना है. ई पार्ट इज हाउस गिव्स अस. अब हाउस आपको क्या देता है वो चीज आपको यहाँ मेंशन करनी है. लेट्स सी द सेकंड वन. गिव टू एग्जांपल ऑफ टेम्पररी हाउस एंड परमानेंट हाउस. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको क्या करना है, 2 एग्जांपल टेम्पररी हाउस के एंड 2 एग्जांपल परमानेंट हाउस के देने हैं. That's it for today, kids. I hope you have enjoyed today's module a lot. Till then, keep growing, keep learning. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.